When Narendranath was a little boy, he loved climbing trees. In his neighborhood, there was a champs magnolia tree where he and his friends often played. The elders of the area, worried about their safety, would warn them, "Don't climb that tree. There's a ghost living there and it will your neck if you go near." But young Narendranath was not the kind to believe things blindly. Instead of getting scared, he boldly replied, "If there is really a ghost, then let it break my neck. Why should I be afraid without seeing it?" Then he cheerfully continued climbing the tree, laughing off the warnings. His fearless spirit impressed
Everyone.
children. Guess who he was? He was Swami Vivekananda.